Hello, my friend. What is going on? This is your friend Emmanuel Adegbola, aka the Forex Apostle. And in this video, I'm going to be, kind of going through the London breakout trading strategy. And this video is actually meant for my paid students, but I decided to make this free just to bless you guys out there also. But I believe if you are one of my paid students, you will, be more blessed with this video because it's just one of those videos that you want to pay full attention to, and you want to make sure that you watch everything I have to say in this video. Okay, so now, this is when London market opens, okay? This is when London market opens. As you can see, this on a on 1 hour chart. This is when the day started. You can see that the Asia market is, did not trend. Everything was just ranging, as you can see, just like I explained to you. If you go to Tradermatic, you will also see that happen right there. So this is London market. You can see the box is more or less like rectangle, so it wasn't really trading, as you can see. So on Tradermatic, this is when London market also opens on 1 hour, as you can see right here. So just like what I told you guys, you don't, number one, you use this yellow line, which is our 50 EMA, as a filter. So we can see that the price is below this 50 EMA. So all what we are looking to do was to sell. You are not looking to buy. You only buy when the price is above this 50 EMA. Okay, if you are using Tradermatic. So if you go, let's say you go to 30 minutes, it's more actually accurate on 30 minutes. As you can see, on 30 minutes, in fact, it tells you when to enter straight ahead. This is 30 minutes, as you can see. This is when London market opens, and this is where you have your sell alert. Okay, this is when you have your sell alert. Then you enter at the opening of the second candle. Now, but if you watch very closely, you will notice, like right here, let me see, right here, you can see how the whole thing is just, jumping up and down. So what I did is I changed this to, line graph. If you remember very well, I said all what you are looking for is, as I've told us, what you are looking for is breakout, bounce back, and continuation style. That is when you want to enter the trade. So let's assume that this is our Asia market. Okay, this is our Asia market, which did not trend, and immediately London market opens. You see, you have your Asia market like this. This is the high of the Asia market. This is the low of the Asia market. So when this London market opens, what you are looking for is a breakout like this, then retest. Okay, sometimes it will go in like this and continue up. So, and I told us that we have two types of traders. We have aggressive and we have conservative. So an aggressive trader will just buy in this place and use here as stop loss. But conservative will wait for this to get to this same level right here and before enter. So if you wait for this, you will notice that this has to come here, then maybe like 2 or 3 pips above it, then you enter long. Okay, and your stop loss is also still like middle of this, and you can tail it up. That is for buy if you are looking to go long. The same thing is if you are looking to go short, you are expecting something like this, then continuation. So if this is our line for Asian market, so what we are looking for is, okay, a breakdown like this, breakout, okay, retest, then if you are aggressive, you enter when this is continuing like this, your stop loss is like this. But if you are conservative, you wait for the market to get back to this point before you enter. So now let's go back to what I was using to explain. You can see here, this is the high, okay, of Asian. This is the low of Asian market. This is when today opens. So now this breaks out here. I just change it to, okay, I just change this to line graph, okay, for better explanation. So it breaks out here, okay, it comes back. So normally what you will want to do as a conservative trader is you want to place your stop loss, your pending order, buy pending order, like 3 pips above this point. So somewhere like here, okay. Now you notice that if you do that, you will not be fake out. So this come here, it comes over. In fact, I recorded the movement that time. Let me see if I can play the video. This is the video. Let's see what happened when the market opens. You can see this is it. No, it comes like this. So if you are too quick, you don't wait for the candle to close. You will just go long. You will just buy in this place. But you have to wait for the candle to close. You see, just keep looking at this. You see how the market did today. It was so funny this morning. You see how the market did, and it kept going back. I just decided to record this while I was trading on another system. What you have to understand is the game is a waiting game. It's a patient game. Okay, you have to be very, very be patient when you are trading. The market is here. The market is not going anywhere. You see what happened right there? Let me fast forward. You see right there. You see it came over here. Then it bounced back. Then you don't immediately also start selling. Before you go short, the market has to get to this line, break this line as I've explained, break the line, retest it, and continue. So let's see what happened again. You see the market continues like that. You see it keep bouncing up. You see, okay, it gets to that place. Let's see what happened. You see, at this particular time, you don't also want to sell. You still wait till it gets to this line, break out from this line, retest this line. Okay, now the same. Okay, you see what I'm talking about? It broke this line, but you don't chase the market. You wait. Okay, you see what's happening. Let me show you what happened right there. This was here. Let me change this back. This was here, right here. Okay, this was this particular place, this place right here. So it break out, but you see what happened? It bounces back again, it come back. So this is one of those unusual days in trading, but if you understand what you are doing, you will not be the victim of the big boys, the banks. Okay, you see what was happening right there? It kept going. I at this particular time, because I had a long position already pending. So at this point, because I know what I'm doing, I was already edging the market right here. So I entered short. But if you are just learning trading, I will not expect you to enter short position, because you have to wait for this retest. You have to wait for this retest to get back here, retest this. Okay, you see how it's going up now, how it's going up. please, I will advise you to watch this video till the end, because I'm going to compare this and I'm going to go to Tradermatic and for you to see how Tradermatic makes everything easy. No gambling, nothing. It just makes it easy for you to trade, especially when if you either you are trading London, you are trading indices, you are trading any commodity at all. Okay, so let me fast forward. So you see it gets back to that place. Now instead of bouncing back, you see what happens? It enters back. So if you were the one that you are just chasing it, by now it would have cut you off. Let me show you what happens right there. This is it. You see, it went back inside. You see, it got back here. So then it retested the high of the Asian. You see right there. Then the market start coming down again. So for a conservative trader, this is the point I will be expecting you to have entered a short position. Yes, the time at this particular time now was like almost 4 a.m. But let's see, let's continue. Let's see what happened. So right there, it continued. You see, it continued. You see, it just continued like that. So if you had entered a short position, you would have been cut out, and that would have been a loss, a loose trade for you. Okay, but this continue. Let's see. You see, right there, it bounces back again. It bounces back, and of course, this was when I decided to end the video. So let's see what really happened. Let's go back there. So right here, so you see, so you wait as it breaks out this, you wait. If you put your pending order to be at this point, you will not, the trade will not be triggered. The trade will not be triggered. So it's still a very good pending order. Then also over here, if you had put a pending sell order, let's say here also, this would have been a good point. So I mean, your trade would have been like cut off later on. So you see what happened. So let's just cut all these and then go straight to Tradermatic and see how this makes everything so easy. So this is Tradermatic. This is when London market opens. This is 30 minutes. You can do this either on 1 hour, 30 minutes, or 15 minutes. So you wait, because number one, the price is below our yellow line, this 50 EMA. So you wait. So after the close of this sell signal, you go short. Then you put your stop loss somewhere. If your stop loss is somewhere above here, remember what we said. The highest high before that point is over here. But if you try to be aggressive, you can also move it. You can move it a little bit down there, okay, above this price right here. So you notice you can do, that's what I did this morning. I did a trailing stop. I did a 20 pips trailing stop. So you see when it bounces back in this place, it did not affect my stop loss. And of course, the trade continues, continue. I finally exited the trade, and I think I made like 300 and something dollars from that trade. Okay, so that is how to trade London breakout session if you are using Tradermatic. If this is 30 minutes, if this is 15 minutes, this is how your trade will look like. So after this, you enter short. You enter short here. Then the same thing. Your stop loss is somewhere there. So even this retracement right here will not cut you off. Okay, this retracement will not cut you off, and the trade continues like that. If you are a conservative person, you could have exited the trade here. That was actually what I did before I went back to sleep. Right here, okay, you could exit and you re-enter the trade right here, and that is actually what happened. I hope this kind of makes sense to you. So it's all about practice. It's all about practice. If you are trading on 1 hour, by now your trade will still be on, because it's still really continuing. We're still on the downtrend. I opened a long position that was yesterday right here. I opened a buy position right here yesterday, and you could see what happened. Immediately the market reverses. So since then I've actually been edging this GBP JPY. So I still have my long position open. So now if it goes down now, I enter short position, and when the market finally reverse back to upward trend, I close this short position and I let the long trend runs. So just in case you are watching this video and you don't really understand all these jargons, everything I'm saying, we're talking about Forex, and this is how we make money. You know, we make money by trading money. It's very easy, very, very easy. All you have to do is, number one, you can get my software. It comes with tutorial. Tradermatic, it makes everything easy for you. Or if you don't know what you are really doing at all, you have no clue at all what you are doing, you can also sign up for my coaching and mentoring program. You can go to www.fxcertification.com, fxcertification.com. That will take you to where you will join my coaching group. Okay, and if you have what you are doing and you think, okay, you can do this on your own, after all, you can go through the training materials and everything and kick the ball rolling, then go to www.tradermatic.net to get my software, Tradermatic Trading System. It makes your trading easy. You can use this to trade cryptocurrency. You can use it to trade Forex. You can use it to trade commodities, as long as that instrument is on MetaTrader 4. Okay, I hope this video has been a blessing to you. And just in case you are watching this on my YouTube channel, do me a favor, subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe. Hit the subscribe button right now. So once you hit that, then hit the bell, and of course, when next I upload another video, you will be notified of the new video. Thank you so much, guys, and I will see you in the next video.